and I'm sorry that my voice sounds like shit and that I also kind of look like shit, but that's just because my life has been kind of shit lately. So yeah, I laid in my bed for past few days and I just couldn't do that anymore. So today we're gonna be altering some clothes just to stop thinking of my life and focus on some manual work. So hopefully this is gonna help and hopefully you will find it enjoyable. I don't know. I'm sorry that this video probably won't be super happy and upbeat as my usual videos are, but life isn't always happy and upbeat, and it's definitely not right now for me. And I just wanted to be real with you guys, and I didn't want to just put a mask on and pretend like everything is okay when it's not. So yeah, if you're also going through like a rough time, we got this. We're strong. We can, everything's gonna be fine. I'm telling that to myself right now because I'm freaking out. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start with this beautiful dress, which is actually new with tags. It's from Halara, and I got it in my collaboration with them. If you haven't watched the video, definitely make sure to watch it. But yeah, it's this beautiful like tennis white dress, and it's too big on me. As you can see, it's too wide on the sides. The thing is that it actually has a whole bodysuit under it, so it's gonna be a bit trickier to like sew around this. And as you know, we usually eyeball a lot of things on this channel, and that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, so I flipped the dress inside out. I put the bodysuit outside of the dress, so I'm working just with the skirt. And also, when I was trying the dress on, I made a little mark here in the waist, just to see like where the dress should be the fittest or like slimmest. So that's just gonna be my guide. And I'm just gonna take a ruler and a pencil and like mark out the new silhouette of the dress. Okay, everything is pinned down. We'll see how it will turn out. I am kind of scared because I had some trouble like keeping the side seam straight, so I don't know, but let's just sew, and then if it turns out shit, it's okay. We can move on and make something cute. Guys, I think it worked. See, this is the thing with sewing. The less I try, the better it works. I don't know how. The seams are a bit crusty, so I will go over them one more time just to make sure that it stays. I love how it's fitted. I also love that the skirt is not so flowed out because I just don't like that look of it. So yeah, this is the first item. So I'm gonna quickly go over the seam once again, but we're done. And then I had a mental breakdown. I decided to stop filming for that day and decided to continue the next day, but this time I wasn't gonna speak on camera because every time I tried to say something, I just would start crying. So yeah, forgive me that it's a voiceover video, but we'll make it work. Anyways, I started off with this black tank top. As you can see, it's very loose on me, but it's made from this very comfortable material, so I really wanted to make it work. I decided to take an inch from each side on the side seams. I basically just guessed. I didn't really measure anything, and I sewed it down using a zigzag stitch, and then I went over it one more time with a straight stitch just to make it stay. And this is how it turned out. I think it's so flattering. Like, I absolutely love it. It makes my body look amazing. So yeah, you can see how excited I am about this shirt. So yeah, this is the next thing that we're gonna be altering. It's this white lacy dress, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's just the bodice is too wide again. So yet again, I'm gonna be taking in the fabric from the sides. I just measured like an inch and connected to the skirt. Then I pinned it down, sewed it down using a zigzag stitch and then a straight stitch, and I was done. This is how it looks. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I think I feel super gorgeous in it. So yeah, another successful alteration. Okay, this dress is kind of the same problem. Like, the skirt is fine, but the bodice is still too loose. So I decided to make 2 darts in the back, which I never did. So that was, again, big improvisation, but it ended up working out. I just gathered some fabric in the back, pinned it down. You can kind of see how it looks right here. Like, it looks really messy, but ended up working fine, so yeah. And then I just sewed it down using a straight stitch, and that was it. Like, I was surprised how well it turned out. So yeah, this is the result, and yet again I feel super cute in it. The next thing we're gonna be altering is this white shirt made from this kind of like sweater material. Yet again, it's too big on me, so I decided to take it in from the sides, but this time I made like a curved seam, as you can see, so that it would be more form-fitting. But yeah, once I had it pinned, I just sewed it using a zigzag stitch and then went over it one more time with the straight stitch, and then I just cut off the excess and I was done. Once again, amazing t-shirt. I am gonna wear this all the time because it's so flattering, so comfortable. So yeah, I'm really happy about this. Okay, the next t-shirt is this one. I actually thrifted it for $2 and I really wanted to make this into a baby tee. So I just turned it inside out, and then first I made it a bit shorter just to make it into that baby tee length. And then I just took in the sides, and I also curved the side seams a bit to make it more form-fitting, which I don't know if I would recommend because at first I wasn't really sure about it, but now I really like it and I wear it all the time. So yeah, I'm happy that I actually made the curved seams. So yeah, this is how it looks. Super great, super cute. I'm really happy about it. Okay, this next dress actually looks like it's totally fine, and it was, but I just really like my dresses to be very tight on me, so I just decided to take in the sides, yet again, surprise, surprise. And I did that just by making these two little triangles in the waist. I just pinned it down, sewed it down using a zigzag stitch and a straight stitch. I have to say the side seams aren't as straight as they were. Like you can see, it is a little bit bulky on my hips, but I don't even care. Like, I like how form-fitting it is now, so yeah, I think it was worth it. Okay, the next thing that we're going to be altering is this beautiful flowery nightgown that I actually thrifted again for $2, and it's too big on me, so we're going to be taking it in once again. This time I decided to take in the fabric from the back, so I kind of like folded it in half on the side and like took in 2 inches. Yet again, didn't really measure anything, just pinned it down, sewed it using a zigzag stitch and then a straight stitch. Then I cut off the excess, and this is how it looks. I have to say it's super short. Like, I'm probably not gonna be wearing it to the public, but just for sleeping, I think it's super cute and I'm really happy how it turned out. Okay, the next thing we're gonna be altering is this blue long sleeve t-shirt. I again thrifted this for $2 and I just wanted to make this into like a Skims dupe. So I took my Skims and I put it over it and like traced the side seams, as you can see, so that it has the same form-fitting effect on me, you know? So yeah, I just sewed down the side seams, and then I realized that also the sleeves were really big. So I took in like a centimeter from each one, and that actually made a huge difference. Like, this is how it looks. You can see how super like tight it is. Like, it literally looks like a Skims top. So yeah, I'm super happy with how it turned out. Like, I will literally wear it every single day in the winter. So yeah. Okay, and this is the last thing that we're gonna be altering. It's this like sweater tank top, and it's very well made. But yeah, I never wear it because it's very boxy, so I decided to make the curved form-fitting side seams again. So yet again, I kind of like made 2 marks where the tank top should be the fittest. I connected the mark to the top and the bottom of the shirt, pinned it down, sewed it down using a zigzag stitch and a straight stitch, then cut off the excess, and I was left with this beautiful tank top, which is so gorgeous, super form-fitting, and I love it so much. So I cannot wait to wear this too. So yeah guys, that was the last piece that I'm gonna alter in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry that this video wasn't like this super cheerful, colorful one, but we reached 10,000 subscribers on this channel, and I still cannot believe that that's true somehow. But I want to thank every single one of you for any click on my video, any like, any subscribes. Like, just taking your time to support me means literally the world to me, and I'm so grateful for you, and I love you so much, so thank you. I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully in a better mood and hopefully in a better place. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!